To make vanilla sponge cake, you will need 4 eggs, half teaspoon baking powder, a pinch baking soda, 1/4 cup sugar, 1½ cup flour, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 3/4 cup refined oil. A big bowl, beater, whisk, spatula, oil brush, cake mold, small bowl and a spoon. Now take eggs and separate egg whites and egg yolks. Add essence in the yolk. Beat egg whites till stiff peak is formed. Add sugar in batches and beat well after each addition. Put egg yolk, beat well, add oil and beat for half a minute. Add maida gradually and fold gently. Do not use beater. Now grease your cake tin. Transfer to a greased tin and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. To take your cake out of the mold, use palette knife and loosen the edges like so. You can serve it as it is, or if you have a sweet tooth, you can sprinkle powdered sugar on the top of the cake like so. And we are done!